Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your LG model and WebOS version so you know which App Store features are available. Once done, connect the TV to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and verify internet access using the browser. This prevents download errors. Make sure you're signed into an LG account because you'll use it to find and install apps. Now press the Home or Smart button to open Smart Hub and get ready to search for YouTube in the App Storefront. Once the content store is open, type YouTube in the search field so you target the official app quickly instead of related apps. Select YouTube from results. If it shows Install, download it. If it shows Open, the app is already present. Make sure to accept any permission prompts so playback and casting work correctly. Then sign into your Google account to access subscriptions and personalized recommendations. This syncs history and playlists across devices. You can now browse and play videos using your remote or the LG TV Plus app for faster typing. If you prefer casting, open YouTube on your phone, tap Cast, then choose your LG TV. This is faster for playlists and uploads. To finish, pin YouTube to favorites for one-press access. If playback stutters or the app crashes, reboot the TV first. Then reinstall the app and confirm your network speed is stable. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.